everyone, today we'll be doing a trash pickup around the neighborhood part 6. Woohoo! Everyone, we found a sprinkler head. Looks like somebody's sprinkler has busted. My dad is staying home until his garbage truck comes. Gone. Okay, not glass.
Nope.
If glass is at the bottom, then that's fine. Well, at the top, that. These people, I don't read in this table. Only if it's like grocery stores, then I do to see what's on sale. Otherwise, no. Floss. Or something.
Kind of string.
Kind of like, yeah, a balloon again. Wait. You found a lot of these in pot 1, guys. So check that out. We might see. Snail.
Oh no! Snailbulance. Is that just a shell? Just a shell.
Yeah. I guess the snail dropped its shell there.
Yeah.
Yeah. See? Plastic.
Yeah. Hi, doggies.
Yes. Oh, yep. We're not getting the leaves.
No.
It looks like that. Ooh. Yeah, over yours. See?
Flew out of the trash. There you go.
This too. We got the rest of your trash, buddy. He's like, thank you. Flag.
Let's put it in head first, dude.
Huh? Be careful with that. Be careful with stuff like that, guys. Doritos.
Doritos. I bet that flew out of the trash too.
Yeah, maybe. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.